I think we are online, Doreen.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Doreen from Scotland.
Yes, and this is me, Amal Hermuz in hair design, as you see, and I'm going to show you today how we're going to do the body perm. As you see, I will turn it with Doreen, so you see, I did the part in here, I will turn off, so we're going to put the perm, the body perm only in this area, only here to lift the hair up, yes? So we're going to start from the hair, so we start from here. To be here in Spain.
Oh, definitely.
She's in Spain invitation. Only to continue in hair design.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because I've been several times.
Yeah.
Worth coming over for.
She lives in Scotland, eh?
Yeah.
So,
Which you should come over and see.
I think everybody needs to come.
Every 6 weeks.
Everybody needs to come to Spain to see Spain. Spain is a nice country.
Yeah.
Everybody comes here for vacation. And today is again beautiful.
Oh, it certainly is.
So nice.
And so much.
And the weather is so
Very cold at home.
We don't want to make it very little bit. So we are mixing the big one and the small one together. Just putting the body.
Are these new rollers?
This is body rollers, and another one of the rollers is what rollers, which kind of effect you will put depends.
Yeah.
So every time there's new rollers, old rollers, and normal rollers. So we are mixing big rollers, small rollers, and normal rollers together. Because in this side, the part is super soft.
Yeah, because it goes flat here.
Yeah, exactly. It goes like crown there. What do you call it? Crown, the part
Yeah.
goes open. So we are mixing big, small, and together. And that makes the curl more natural. It's a body curl, so you need to keep it as natural as you can. So mixing bigger colors, because it depends how the hair it goes.
Yeah.
So curling here. So not in the middle, we have big problem because this here part too much in the middle. So we're gonna put in even a smaller rolls. So it stays like our curl here. So if you turn it a little bit so everybody can look at your hair. So are you happy to do this?
Yes, I love it.
Well, me too. I like Spain. It's nice country. Everybody, people from all over the world.
Yeah.
That's why it's not everybody. It's not, to be honest. Do you feel you are in Spain?
Well, it's quite different from home.
Yeah,
It is Scotland's a beautiful country.
yeah.
But being with Mum and Trevor, you know, they take me so many different places and see all the different.
Different.
Yeah.
Exactly. So now I'm almost done. So I'm going to show you the colors. Just closing this last mirror with the colors. We don't want to turn the hair, we just want the body to feel
That's right. Just to give some volume.
because you can manage this time, no? You can manage this.
No.
It's
No.
very difficult also going back to the hair because there is no review. So how old are you now? 61?
No. I'm 77.
Wow. You look really good for your age.
Oh, no.
With a lovely nice hairstyle and maybe you're going to put your lovely nice makeup.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you wanted to, of course, to make it really nice and really attractive.
Okay, I'm gonna show you now something very nice. This is the wickles we put in the hair. As you see, we start from here to make movement. I start with the big one and then small one, and here we put more small pins in it. I'm showing you these pins. Yeah, they are very important. If you leave the hair like this, it can break your hair with perm. So you really need to put pin in between, because of the product we put on the hair, it can break your hair here. That's why there's many people have broken hair with perm, because some hairdresser can forget this. So please just put this one in it, or you can put this one in it. That's different kind of things. This you can put it like that. Keep your hair nice and very beautiful. So we're gonna go continue with that, and after finishing everything, we're gonna put just this one to protect all the hair. You see, to protect her from the product. Yeah, so we're gonna put this one here. So this is the way we're gonna put the perm. So I'm gonna finish that. I'm just showing you from here, so you can see what I'm gonna put. A little bit more pins here to protect the hair, and I'm gonna put the product inside, and we will see you in a bit. Yes. So now we are again with Doreen. As you see, I just protect all the hair here. I put this one in it, so I put some cream, so even if the product touches it doesn't make it dry. So as you see now, we have the purple. I'm gonna show you now how to put product in the perm. Yes, how to put perm product. So we start from the last one. See, just a little bit in here. So like that, you put a perm product in the hair, one by one, so you don't forget nothing from the curl. See? So one by one, we put in this one. See, we finished that, so we will keep the head a little bit down. Gonna start it again. Make sure you are putting enough product. Don't miss not even one. This is the product we put. It's really nice and very beautiful. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the plastic in it. The plastic, and she go in the dryer for 15 minutes, okay? And then she will come back to show you the perm. Yes? Thank you very much, Doreen. Bye bye. Bye. As you see, we have here Doreen, and I am trying to wash her perm. So that's really nice. So you wash every roll. You see, one by one. You really need to wash them perfectly, one by one. So one, and then another one, and so you go on and on washing them very carefully. Please don't forget not even one. So wash them one by one, very carefully. For the perm, you need to wash them very good, at least 5 till 7 minutes. We're gonna stay like that, washing the wickles one by one. For this product, so we need to take all the product we have inside. After that, we're gonna put the fixati in it for 5 minutes, and then we will take it, and then the perm will be ready. So now 5-7 minutes, wash this one, and then we put the fixati in it 5 minutes, and then we will wait, and then we take the wickles, and then put again fixati 3 minutes, and then we are ready. Okay, Doreen is still here. She's relaxing while I'm washing her hair.
Lovely.
Yes, so we're gonna see you later. Bye-bye. Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivyan Hair Design again. I have here with me
Doreen from Scotland.
Yes, as you see, we just had a perm in Doreen here. We just did her perm, so we put a lovely, nice perm here. This is the result. This is the result from the perm we put in her hair. So as you see, this is curled here, and here we didn't have put any curling. So the result is making a movement and volume there. So It's really nice and beautiful. We have, as you see, curly nice. The movement is here. Here is our movement. That was our point. We want to make movement there. So even if she don't do nothing with her hair, it's perfect because all is covered. There's nothing opening there, and so it stays perfect and easy and simple. So do you like it, Dori, in your hair?
Yes, I do.
Yes, the curly hair?
Yeah. Bye-bye.